All right, we have an excessively dirty beam dome light plate. You can see all the smudges on there. I got it real nice and grimy and dirty. This is a mirror finish, but it looks really nasty right now. You're a truck driver, you work really hard. Your dome light plate would probably never look like this, but if it ever does, I want to show you what it looks like to polish it. We're going to use some Flitz polish. It's a really high quality polish, really cost effective, and it does a really good job. And we're going to use a rag. So like I said, it's already got it scuffed up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of Flitz. I'm going to shake it up really good. Make sure it's mixed in really good. And then I'm going to take a rag, put a little bit of polish on the rag. You don't need a lot. And we're going to take this and we're going to polish up. Put some polish on half of it here. So you can see, even just by putting the polish on, we're already making some progress. And then we're going to take a clean rag, and we're just going to wipe it down really good. Get all that polish off. And you can use a wheel, different things, but hand polishing a piece this small works really well. Obviously, when it's installed, you'll have to go through the cracks and crevices of a dome light plate, but or excuse me, of the dome lights. But you can see the difference here, the grime over there and the perfect mirror finish over here. That was just a dab of Flitz polish with microfiber cloth, and you got a perfect mirror finish again.